things are about to shift up a gear.
Look. Can I tell you a little bit about this?
Time to get comfy, because I know what is coming. It is going to be a sermon about a certain motorbike of a certain era being a classic.
This is the 400 Baby Fireblade. This is part of motorcycling history. I've got to have it, man. That's 2 all, man.
It is, which means we need to go and see
Janine and Jez.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's go.
Wow. Tell me about that bike.
I bought it 10 years ago.
Right.
And it's probably done 1,000 miles in 10 years.
But Jez, it's an icon.
That's why I kept it.
That is my first item. And I still can't quite believe I've found one in the shed.
Yeah, this is actually in mint condition, isn't it?
We might get lucky with this one because it does look like it doesn't need a lot doing.
So hopefully should fit straight in if he's bought the right battery. Perfect.
Yeah, that's a great
Straight
fit.
in.
And some fuel.
It's always good to put fresh fuel in the bike because the carburetors haven't been turned on for a little while. Right, choke on. Ignition on. I'm really optimistic it's going to start, but it might not run nice. It's whether it runs nice is the important thing.
It's a lot of work
It's
to
a
get
lot.
those carbs out.
And very expensive on parts.
Oh dear, don't tell Henry.
Right, let's give it a go.
That hardly turns.
That's beautiful. The sound's just so lovely.
So it looks like Henry has made a good choice. The less that needs to be done, the bigger the profit. With older bikes like these, a jet wash can do more harm than good. So a simple bucket and sponge will do.
If I was 20, I would have loved to have had this. I still love it though for the engineering and just how beautifully it's made. But if I rode this for 2 hours, I'd hardly be able to walk when I got off it. It can dry overnight, then at a later date, polish it.
Next, there's just one more job to do on the Honda.
So all I'm going to do now is give the seats a wipe down, the vinyl seats, and I'm going to wax the paintwork. Then it'll be done, ready for the ride out. I hope it rides as good as it looks.
Straight away it feels really tight, and actually it feels incredibly modern for a motorcycle that was built in 1989. Now these things were seen as the baby of the Honda Fireblade, which was the big flagship race replica. But I've got to tell you, man, this is just lovely to ride.
So the teams will be hoping their hard work pays off at the valuation.
Hey, Ronnie, come on in.
Hi guys.
You all right, mate?
How are you both?
Hi,
Yeah,
Mr.
top.
Archer Morgan.
Have a look.
What I see does please my eyes.
Oh, good. It's got to be
I
good.
think I'll start with this little beauty. Iconic 90s bike, this. I mean, I think that is a thing of beauty.
I think it's horrible.
What?
It's horrible.
Why?
It's great.
It's loud, it's
Yeah.
brash.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
It's all the things
but
I've
it
always
looks
wanted
like
to
it
be.
goes like greased lightning, and it does. So it's a really gorgeous machine.
Let's get on to the CBR 400, which I have to say came to us in very good condition.
And the Honda motorbike was just sitting in the shed. Now it's ready for the open road. £50 spent on a new battery.
I think it's great.
Cool, man.
£3,500.
That's a profit of £3,450.